Hi, I'm Keith here with another episode of My Car Story. And today we are at Citrus College parking lot. And today's episode is a little bit different because I am reviewing my car today, which is a 2005 Honda Civic value package, very basic. I even have crank windows in 2005.
Now, Keith, how long have you had this one?
I've had this one for a year and a few months.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And why this car out of all cars in the world?
Well, I was looking for something either Toyota or Honda, reliable, good on gas, sedan, 4-cylinder, and I just happened to find this one.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me about the purchasing process. How was that?
It was cool. I bought it from a dealership. It was kind of far away. I forgot exactly where it was. It was cool. The only thing that was too bad about it is once I got home, I realized I took it to the mechanic, and he said, "Yeah, you have to fix the brakes, and the door, the front passenger window, that never went up." He said, "Yeah, that's going to be expensive to fix. That door is actually from a different car. That's why the door doesn't lock." But aside from that, it's been a good car. It's been like super reliable. Like once I fixed that stuff, it's never broken down. Well, it broke down once, but yeah.
All right. Now step right alongside me and we'll feature the side of the car.
Okie dokie. Look at that. Isn't that great?
Yep. No tinted windows still?
Nope. Makes it look like a grandma car. I feel like it was a grandma car. I'll point it out later in the video.
Here's some stickers on the mirrors.
Mm-hmm.
We have our lock.
The lock that doesn't work.
And we have some plushies hanging from the left side.
Yeah, my little friend. He's been there for about a year now. He's doing all right. I hope so.
All right. And is it true that there's trunk and treats today?
Yes, there is, as a matter of, yes, trunk and treats. You see right here, you have your handy dandy skateboard. Although I don't skate all that much, I have a pretty good skateboard. My buddy skates, and he's like, "Oh, you want independent? You want this? You want?" And I have a fun piece of metal, and here, I think you guys want an educational lesson on what this is. So, this right here is a line set cover, and you use this to cover refrigeration lines and air conditioning. And my boss sent me home with this so I could practice cutting this little part so that it folds over. And I haven't gotten to it yet, but I have good intentions on doing it one day. And you can see like right here, like that's how my coworker did it. He's like, "Yeah, you do it like this, like this." So this is my little piece. I copy this part and then I cut this part over here. Eventually, one day. And there you go. Now you guys have been enlightened. Now you know what a line set cover is.
All right. Very nice. Now we'll close that and I'll take a look at the interior. May I open the interior?
Yeah. Well, let me point something out real quick. This sticker right here, this makes me think it was a grandma car because, I don't know, it just kind of seems like it. And then I'm going to pass by real quick. Right here, there's a whole bunch of marks. If you could capture that a little bit. There's a whole bunch of marks because I believe the last owner was old and they would help themselves in and out of the car right here, and they like scratch it with the ring or something. I don't know. It's kind of cool to know a little bit about the story, even though I don't. But there it is.
clean on the inside, no mess. And there's a chicken right there.
Yeah, it's my little friend.
Alright, now let's take a look at the front seats, shall we?
Yes, we shall.
And how do you feel when you drive this car?
I feel good when I drive this car. Driving's good until you hit traffic. Then it's not. Well, then it's still good, but then it's no fun. I also feel a little bit slow. I go like maybe 50 or 60 in this, and you could go faster, but 50 or 60 is like good. Faster than that, you're like both hands are on the wheel. Driving's good.
Still a very clean car. And there is no passenger seat.
Nope. Yep, I got rid of it. So basically, I was drag racing, and I was going and then I was losing. I was like, I need to remove the passenger seat, weight reduction. So that's what I did. And so basically, that's it.
Alright, now if we look here, we see the hood latch. Let's see what's under the hood.
There it is. 1.7 liter Honda 4-cylinder. I think it makes about 110 horsepower. Yes. Thunderous. Not really.
Alright, our different languages. Sounds about right.
Yes, sir.
Battery with some acid on it. Clean interior under the hood.
Right.
Alright, let's start it up, shall we?
We shall.
Alright, now give us some gas. And now this part of the video, I'd like to get a shot of you just going in a circle.
We'll probably do one more take after this. So
Okay.
I don't mind the hood being open. Aren't I silly and funny and quirky and random?
That'll do it. And final question I'd like to ask every person in the video. Where do you see yourself in 3 years?
Alright, so in 3 years, I'll still be doing HVAC, probably, unless I get really famous on YouTube. And I'll definitely have some sort of cool car by then. But other than that, you can't plan too much in the future, That's about it.
Thanks for being on my car story.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right. Guys, it's time for you to check out my parking spot. It's great. That car was already there. I finagled my way into the parking spot. I am the best.
I like how it has different languages right here.
Yes, sir. You may not know, I'm actually fluent in Japanese.
Are you?
No, well, no.